You know what we'd like to say, right? Wouldn't you like to say S 3, 1, S of negative 1, S 2, 1 of negative 1, S 3, 2 of negative 1. Can someone make the obvious conjecture? 1, negative 1, negative 1, 0, 1. Don't you really want to say that that one right there would be, oh, sorry. Isn't that just, wouldn't that just be so gorgeous? It's not. It's not. Yeah, it's not. You can do it for yourself. Try it out. But there's something that's, so this is false. Show to self. So that didn't work. And in fact, the reason that it doesn't work has to do with the idea that when we do this one, if you looked at this, so this was negative 1, negative 1. So if you looked at this product right here, and this was 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and then you had this one over here was 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, negative 2, 1. What's the problem here? The problem is right there, right? Yeah, the problem is right here. So do this one quickly. Give me entry 3, 1. No, we should just do it out. Let's forget it. Let's prove to ourselves right now. Let's just do it out because it's not immediate clear. All right, so 1, 0, 0. The first row I'm going to get is what? 1, 0, 0. Okay, what about the next row? So I pick off row 1, I take 0 of row 2, I take 0 of row 3, right? What about the next row? 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now what? 0 of row 1, negative 2 times negative, we should actually do this entry by entry, right? Let's just do it entry by entry. So let's do this entry first. 0 times 1, negative 2 times negative 1, 2 plus negative 1, 2 plus negative 1, 1. Oh, I think this was supposed to be negative, right? Anybody see the problem? Negative 1 is definitely not equal to 1. This one's not as bad, right? 0 times 2, 0 times 0, 2 times negative 2 times 1. Yeah, that one actually stays the same, but do you see where the problem existed? The problem was right here, and the reason that problem existed was because there's cross-pollination between the previous pivot steps, right? And so in the forward direction, when you're doing the substitution downward, it ends up that we can't, the stuff that happens in pivot 1, we're going to stay separate from the stuff that happens from pivot 2.